COVID-19 is an unprecedented global pandemic event. During the early phases of pandemics, control measures like national lockdown was implemented, which severely affected the healthcare system, including the ocular eye emergency services. The scenario is more or less, when I go through the literature, I saw that more or less similar in all places, all over the world. And that is applicable naturally to our institute also. This is a tertiary care center, which I saw that in 2020, there is a market decrease. 3 months of the lockdown, actually, we did a study during the 3 months from March to May. We found that there was only 199 patients during that time, this 3 months period in the emergency. Whereas if you look at this picture, 2018 and 9, there is a gross difference of the number of patients in the OER. And this has slight bit increase in 2021. Now the patient has started coming, even in emergency also, it has increased. What we saw is that the patient profile-wise, 18 years to 65 years, they are the maximum majority of the patient. Whereas more than 65 years, there is a decrease in the lockdown period because maybe they could not attend the hospital because of their aging process and the transport problem. Male was the predominant figure who came here. And what we saw is that in the quite a large number of patients, they had home accident. Whereas if you look at the figure, in the other, like in 2018 and 2019, the home accident, workplace, playground, and they are almost similar. But coming here in 2020 and 2021, the home accident was quite a lot in number. And accident and injury, home was more. And what we saw is that usually what happens is that the open globe and closed globe injury, we get more open globe injury. But now in COVID era, the open globe injury, we got maximum, not the closed globe, maximum, not because these are the patients who were being refused from various centers, and we had to do surgery. So maybe this time this number of patients of this open globe injury increased who came to our emergency. Referral wise, if I look at the picture, referral wise, quite a number of patients who came after 2 hospital reference. Means they have attended 2 hospitals. After that, they attended to our hospital. So the severity of the injury denotes that the severity of the injury is such that the peripheral center had to refer us. Now, if you look at the scenario, why this number of patients decreased, all of you know that the transport problem, the closed down nearby, yes. Nearby centers of ocular centers, actually many of the centers, the subsidiary center, the primary health center, even some of the medical college also, they didn't run properly during this time. So naturally, as a tertiary care center, our burden actually increased during this time. Even the number of cataract-related complicated patients were quite a large number of the patients. We got patients from various distant places also, like from Bangladesh, from Bihar, from Jharkhand, Odisha, even the 500 kilometers was the maximum the patient came here. So lack of information, where the patient will go, the patient didn't know where to go during that lockdown period. So that was one problem. That's why there was delayed presentation. We found lack of information and lack of transport services. All these things actually caused our anxiety. Anxiety means when the patient came to us, almost many patients came after 4 to 5 days of injury, and naturally the acuity of the vision, the visual prognosis became bad. That this is already we have reported in one of the journal. If we look at the scenario in other countries, the similar situation in Israel, from UK, Italy, all of them, they have shown there is an almost 50% reduction in the emergency cases. And older patient, elderly age group patient, they were minimum in number when compared to similar. There are some studies from India which have been reported that Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, and New Delhi, they have also the similar incidents that in New Delhi and AIMS, they have found there is a decrease of 35%.
Sorry to interrupt you, doctor.
And males
Please
increased.
conclude the session.
So to conclude, during the COVID-19 first wave, what we saw, there was a drastic decrease in ocular emergency cases, an increased number of referral, an increased home injuries compared to the road traffic and playground, and decrease in elderly and female cases. In this 2021, the second wave, still the number of referral was higher. Ocular emergency improved than the 2020 period. And we have to now prepare ourselves for the third wave. We should have enough facilities to the peripheral center. So our government should take care of all these things. We have to urge them that the third wave, we should not want to lose so many eyes and so many vision problems.